On the last video I was showing how to remove the dent, get it ready to Bondo. So I'm actually ready to do the Bondo, and I tape up around the lights. This will take off when I'm ready to paint anyway, but I just put a tape here and put it here to protect your windshield and the light. So what I'm going to show you, this is my Bondo. I'm ready. That's my hardener, and this is the Bondo that I'm going to use on this fix. And this is a hand glaze right here. This you can pick it up anywhere, paint store, Amazon. On my sandpaper I'm going to use 80 sandpaper to block it, and then I'm going to finish it up with 120 sandpaper. And this is my sanding block. You could use all different kinds of sanding block, but this is what I'm going to use. And when you use it, you don't want to press on the Bondo work. So I'm going to show you how to mix up the Bondo. So you want to mix everything up even. Get a nice mix. Nice. Everything look like one color. Then I'm gonna put it on the door. So you put it on, you just let this do its work. No press, just let the Bondo go where it needs to go, and you smooth off your edge. And then I will leave this to dry fully, and then I will block it on with the 80 sandpaper. I'm doing sanding the Bondo right now with 80 sandpaper. You take your time and sand it, no pressing. Make sure you wear a mask when you're doing this job. Just take your time until when it's smooth and nice. So I'm using the 3M on glaze. This is the activator right here. When it's a hot day, you don't want to use too much of the activator. You just take your time and go easy. This is my second coat. The first coat was the Bondo, second coat to be the 3M hand glaze. Nice mix, everything mixed together. If the day is hot, you could spread out your Bondo, and that way it don't get hard on you quick enough. So I'm gonna put a coat on this spot. This is a Bondo, so you can see there's some spots that need a next coat. So you put it on nice and even. So that's looking good, and next video I'm gonna show you how to block it on. I'm gonna block it on with 120 in the next video. So on this trunk I look for all the dents, so I fix everything one time, so nothing left behind. And that's about it. Thank you.